Today I want to talk about SCARM, Simple Computer Aided Railway Modeler. I've been using this for quite a while. In fact, I've used it to plan most of the layouts I talk about. You can download it for free, get a free version. It works just fine, except you are limited to 100 items, 100 pieces of track or buildings or whatever. So if you're doing any sort of extensive modeling, you soon run out of it. To purchase it, it costs currently, as of today, $45. Here are some examples of things that people have done. As you can see, you can design fairly complicated layouts. I've never gone this far, but I guess you can do it if you want to. This is the combination layout that I've talked about in my YouTube video channel, consisting of the Scenic Ridge Railroad and the Conejos Valley Railroad. SCARM has hundreds of track layout libraries that you can use. This is all done with Atlas and scale track. For the Scenic Ridge part of this railroad, I use Atlas sectional track. For the Conejos Valley, I used Atlas flex track, all code 80. And you can get extensions. Today what I want to talk about is the model train simulator. You can also get a freeware version of that, but it's kind of limited. You only have a few cars available. So I went ahead and bought it for $29. I'm going to download a file of mine on my two combined layouts that I'm currently looking at joining together. This says it contains MTS session data, which is model train simulator. So I've already added some cars here with SCARM. You see it has a power button. If I activate the power, then I can drive this engine back and forth. It's going backwards or forwards. With the power turned off, you can add more engines or rolling stock. Click on the track where you want to add it. Now I've downloaded several items of rolling stock. I'm going to put in a gondola, and I'm going to add 3 on this track. So the thing I want to simulate today is I want to assemble a train, bring it around to my mine location, drop off the 3 gondola cars that are presumably empty, pick up the 3 full ones, then come around down here, drop off one of these box cars onto this siding, and then come back. I want to go into the 3D version, so I'm going to turn off the power. View 3D viewer. Turn on the power. Now you see each switch has a green bar on it. If you touch that, you throw the switch. So I want to go forward with my engine. Now you notice there I had the switch thrown incorrectly, but when you're coming down on it, it corrects that. It'll throw it for you. So pick up these cars. Run around. Go forward. Pick up the other cars. And I want to, I want to go back on the outer loop here. Forgot to throw a switch. I'm going to leave these cars here on the siding. Okay, there I uncoupled that. I'm going to go around and pick up my caboose. I'll leave the caboose here. This is a bug in the system I just discovered. I'm going to turn this around so I have a better chance of operating these switches. All right, I want to leave these three, and I want to pick up these three, so let's see if we can do that. Yeah, that seemed to work. Okay, uncouple these. Drop off these presumably empty cars at the mine. There we go. You have to clear the switch before you can turn it, before you can throw it. Pick up my train. Now I want to leave this second boxcar on this siding. So let's break it right here. Go back and pick up the rest of the train. And I want to do a complete circuit of the, put this back in the original position. A complete circuit of the layout. It's interesting, the noise of the engine comes and goes. I don't know quite why. Put the switches back in normal operation, normal position. Go around the outer loop. I want to end up with the train parked here. Ooh. Can't quite fit on this siding. Yes, I can. And we will put the engine back where it belongs. And that's it for this day's operation. So that's it for this video. As you can see, you can have a lot of fun playing with your trains on this train simulation software. So that's it for today. If you like my videos, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, Dean's N-Scale Trains, and don't forget to leave your comments below. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it.